A gurgling toilet is often a warning sign that something is disrupting your plumbing system. Blocked vents, drain clogs, or sewer line issues can trap air and create unusual noises when you flush. You may also notice slow drains, bubbling fixtures, unpleasant odors, or recurring backups throughout your home. Ignoring these signs can allow a small plumbing problem to become a more serious and costly repair. A professional inspection can identify the source of the issue and restore proper drainage before further damage occurs. If your toilet is making gurgling noises in Frisco, TX, prompt plumbing service can help keep your system working safely and efficiently.